This video deconstructs the case of Solicitor-General versus Gray-Gill and the uncompromising mechanics of Aotearoa's Gangs Act 2024. On November 26, 2024, Xavier Gray-Gill was arrested in Rotorua for displaying gang insignia in public. Following a guilty plea, he was convicted and discharged. The district court judge ordered the destruction of items, but attempted to prevent the forfeiture of the insignia to the Crown. The Solicitor-General appealed this, arguing it violated the Gangs Act. The appeal raised a technical challenge regarding whether a discharge counts as a sentence. Ultimately, the High Court ruled that property disposal orders qualify as a method of disposing of a case. The Gangs Act mandates a two-step forfeiture pipeline: automatic forfeiture to the Crown upon a guilty plea, followed by permanent disposal. The process is absolute and irreversible. The High Court confirmed that Parliament intended to override common law and human rights protections regarding personal property to suppress public gang presence. The High Court upheld the Solicitor General's appeal, quashing the District Court's non-destruction order and remitting the case for proper disposal of the items. A systemic audit of the High Court judgment reflects high scores for legality and integrity, while noting the tensions inherent in balancing public safety and property rights. The case highlights a clear ideological friction. The law and order perspective favors absolute forfeiture to remove symbols of intimidation, while civil liberties advocates warn against state overreach. This judgment reveals a shift toward an ancient legal concept of Deodand, where the object is condemned, leaving no room for restorative justice or customary law. Critics question the strategic value of this enforcement, noting the high state costs involved in litigating the destruction of mere clothing. While the legal reality remains absolute, alternative approaches like front-end diversion and wano-centric interventions are suggested to address the roots of gang participation. The appeal exposed operational deficits, including gaps in frontline training and a need for better guidance for lower courts on interpreting the Act's rigid parameters. Moving forward, the justice sector must acknowledge the statutory reality of forfeiture, streamline administrative protocols, and fund localized disengagement frameworks. In conclusion, while Solicitor General versus Gray-Gill establishes a clear legal precedent, true societal safety requires a focus on individual rehabilitation beyond the destruction of property.